Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 2.1 question number 5. In the previous video I had explained you about the question number 4. So let's start question number 5. In this question actually there is one figure it is given. We have to just find out the parameter and after that we have to show which figure has the greater parameter. Find the parameter of triangle ABC and the rectangular BCDE. Whose parameter is greater? Question is that. So just suppose this is here there is one triangle ABC. Got it? And BCDE there is one rectangle. A B C D E. So ABC is a triangle and BCDE is a ABE they have given. If you want to change the name then you can change the name also, but it's not an issue. We have to just understand here they have given C. Okay, so as whatever is given in the question we have to solve according to that only. BCDE, BCD and here it's E. So ABE is a triangle whose sides are 5 by 2 centimeter. First side AB is 5 by 2 centimeter. Okay, and AE is 3 into 3 by 5, 3 into 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, and BE is 2 into 3 by 4 centimeter, 2 into 3 by 4 centimeter. Got it? Now here breadth is 7 by 6 centimeter, 7 by 6 centimeter. Question is find the perimeter of ABC. ABE. Perimeter of ABE. What we have to find? Perimeter of ABE we have to find, and second we have to find the perimeter of BCDE. After finding both the parameters we have to just show which one is greater. Got it the question? First of all draw this diagram in your notebook. So in the notebook you can see here ABC. First of all, what is the perimeter of any shape? See, perimeter means whatever the boundaries or areas or sides are there in any figure, sum of all the sides of any figure is called perimeter of that figure. Sum of all the sides of a figure is called perimeter of that figure. Sum of all the sides of a figure is called perimeter of that figure. Perimeter means we have to just do the addition of all the sides. So here first of all let's start perimeter of ABE. Okay, have you got it the question? In the question they had asked you about you have to find perimeter of this triangle, after then you have to find perimeter of this rectangle, and after then you have to show whose perimeter is greater. Got it? So let's start perimeter of ABE. Sum of all the sides means AB plus BE plus AE. So three sides are there. So what is the value of AB? 5 by 2 centimeter, and BE 2 into 3 by 4 centimeter, and AE 3 into 3 by 5 centimeter. So first of all what we will do? We will break this mixed fraction into the proper and improper fractions. 5 by 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 by 5 centimeter. Got it? So here 5 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Okay, now can you tell me what is the LCM of 2, 4 and 5? We can find here LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, here 5, 2 1s are 2, here 5, 5 1s are 5. So here 2 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 is your LCM. You have to convert each and every denominator as 20. So 2 10s are 20, right? 5 by 2, up and down you have to multiply by 10. 4 5s are 20, so 11 by 4, up and down you have to multiply by 5. And here 5 4s are 20, so here up and down you have to multiply by 4. So 5 10s are 50 upon 20 plus 55 upon 20 plus 18 4s are 72 upon 20. LCM 20. 50 plus 55 plus 72. See 50 plus 50 100, 105 plus 72 177. 177 by 20 You can also write as 28 ja 160. 28 ja 160. 27 ja 28 ja 160. 29 ja 180. So 28 ja 160. 60. So here 170. 28 ja again 160. So it will be the answer, I think. You can divide 177 by 20. So 2 8 is a 16. 2 8 is a 16. 8.8 centimeter. So if you want to write in a mixed fraction, then how you will write in a mixed fraction? That's just see here. 177 divided by 20. So 28 is 160. 7 minus 6 is 17. So what you will write here? So 17 is your remainder, right? Quotient is your 8 and 8. Got it? Are you understanding or not? So 8 into 17 upon 20. So this is your perimeter of triangle. Now we will find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, right? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So here what is the length? Length is 2 into 3 by 4 and plus breadth is 7 by 6. So first of all 2 4 are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now you have to find the LCM of 4 and 6. I hope it will be 12. The LCM of 4 and 6 you can find here. 4 and 6. So 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 3 1 are. So 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12. So as we have to change this, 2 into 11 by 4, 4 3 are 12, so up and down multiply by 3, and yes 6 2 are 12, so up and down multiply by 2. So what you will see here, 11 3 are 33 by 12 plus 7 2 are 14 by 12. So what you will get, LCM 12, 33 plus 14. So what will be the value? 33 plus 14, 47. 2 into 47 by 12. Okay? 2 into 47 by 12. See here already. Now you can see which one is greater. As you have seen, we have find both the perimeter. We have find the perimeter of triangle. We have find the perimeter of rectangle. Now you have to compare. How you will compare? First one was 177 by 20, and second one was how much? What is the perimeter of rectangle? You can see I have written there. Perimeter of rectangle is 47. So 47 upon 6 you can write. Yes, here 2 into, so 2 6 are 12, right? So 47 upon 6. Now you can divide also. 6 7 are 42. So 7 into 5 by 6, right? 7 into 5 by 6. Now tell me which one will be the greater, 177 by 20 or 7 into 5 by 6, or you can say 42 by 6. Can you compare both the number, which one will be greater? How you will compare 177 by 20 or 47 by 6? See what you have to do, you don't have to do anything. Just write both the parameter and compare it, and after that write the answer that which one is greater. So here you can just see the perimeter of rectangle you have seen. Here I am writing. See, perimeter of triangle is 177 by 20, right? And here perimeter of rectangle is 47 by 6. All of you know the cross multiplication. 177 into 6 is equal to 20 into 47. So 7 2s are 14 and 4 2s are 8 1 9. 940. 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8 1 9. Here 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42 plus 4, 46, 1000. So we can say that 177 upon 20 is greater than 46. So yeah, here you can just write that this one is greater. So as you can see here, which one is greater? 177 upon 20. So after then you can write, hence perimeter of triangle ABC is greater than perimeter of rectangle ABCDE and ABE. You can write here, hence perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. You can take a screenshot or you can write the answer. Then we will move towards the question number 6. In the question number 6 is also, here there is one boy named Salil wants to put a picture into a frame. The picture is wide to fit in the frame. The picture cannot be more than 7 into 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Means there is one boy, his name is Salil, he is having one picture and he have to fit that picture into a frame and he can't cut, means he can't trim the picture more. So I hope all of you have taken a screenshot. So can we move towards the question number 6? It's written, hence the perimeter of triangle ABE and the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So which one is greater? The greater one is triangle. Okay, so now can we start the next question, question number 6? Yes. So we are moving towards the question number 6. See, mathematics means it's a understanding subject. It's a concept subject. If you know concept from the beginning, then mathematics is the favorite subject of all the students. So I hope all of you believe on math, and maths means, you can say it's line fresh or mind fresh subject. As you solve sums of maths, then your mind becomes fresh. So you should use your brain during this lockdown and you should solve all the questions whatever you know. Okay, so let's move question number 6. Our question number 6, as I have informed you, there is one boy, his name is Salil. He has a picture frame and a picture booth. So how much it should be trimmed? So first of all, question you should read. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is the size of picture. First of all, what do you write? The size of picture, and then we have to write the size of frame. And how much it should cut means we have to do minus, right? So first of all, size of picture and the size of frame. Question number 6 here. The size of picture is equal to the size of picture is equal to how much? 7 into 3 by 5. 7 into 3 by 5 centimeter is equal to 7 into 5 plus 3 upon 5. 7 5 is 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5 centimeter. Okay, and the size of frame. The size of frame. What is the size of frame? The size of frame. Sorry, actually we have written opposite. Put into a picture frame. The picture is this one and put into the frame. The picture cannot be more than 7 into 3 by 10. So the size of the frame 7 into 3 by 10. 7 into 3 by 10 means 7 into 10 plus 3 by 10. 7 10s are 70 plus 3, 73 by 10 centimeter. Now question is how much he should trim the picture, right? The question is how much should the picture be trimmed. So the picture will be trimmed, the size of picture minus the size of frame, right? So the picture should be trimmed by the picture should be trimmed by 70. So first of all you should know which one is greater, right? So this one is greater because this is greater, picture size is greater. 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. You will see, sir, your 10, your number is also big. Don't worry about that. It is the size of picture, already said in the question. The size of picture is greater, so that's why it will be trimmed. Trimmed means what? Making short. You will see that your father is trimming the beard. Similarly, trimmed means making short. So here the size of picture is 7 into 3 by 5 centimeter, and here the size of frame is 7 into 3 by 10 centimeter. So here you can just see 5 and 10 LCM will be 10, right? So both you have to make 10 only, right? So you can see 38 by 5 and 73 by 10. You have to do minus. So first of all, we have to make your LCM 10 because 5 and 10 LCM is 10. So 38 to the 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. Got it? So here 76 minus 73 upon 10. 76 minus 73, 3 upon 10. So how much the picture should be trimmed? The picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. The picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. So as we have seen that in the question they have just informed you the size of picture, the size of frame, and they had asked you by how much the picture should be trimmed. So the picture should be trimmed by the size of picture minus the size of frame, as I have written here. So you can see here 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. The LCM of 5 and 10, you can see 5 and 10 LCM is 10. So we have to make here also 10. 38 by 2 into 5 by 2. So 38 to is 76. 76 minus 73 upon 10 is equal to 3 by 10. I hope all of you have understand this question number 5 and 6. If you have any doubt related this video or this question, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section, so I will solve your doubt into the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.